back with the part 2 of the king of S10 Blazers. That's this bad boy, this beast right behind me. She was $400 and she's running good. No, we put some suspension components because they were destroyed. I don't know why. In the last video, and I was going to do some more of that stuff, but I really need to go get an alignment anyways. So I think we're going to go have fun in the woods, and then maybe after I'll get an alignment or something someday. But today I felt like having fun because we only have so many nice days left. As you can see, I've already succumbed to wearing a stupid freaking hoodie because it's almost winter, all right? And I hate winter, I hate fall. I just want it to be summer all the time. Yes, I don't love 100 degrees either, but I prefer it over 30. So we're just gonna take this guy out and have some fun. It has been extremely, extremely muddy, so this is probably gonna be more like mudding than trail, but I don't know, we're just gonna go out there and see what we can find. Like I said, fall is upon us, and I do really enjoy being out into the trails before it's completely barren. Now it is a little easier to get through and clean up. You don't get stuck in briar bushes quite as much, but we're still gonna go have some fun today. I am excited to have the Blazer back on the channel because, well, I love it. So we're just gonna have some fun. What I really want to do, I know we did a video clearing some trails. We didn't do enough off-roading then after that, so all those trails that I cleared pretty much are, well, they're growing up again. And you're gonna see that here today. But I would like to find some obstacles, because pretty much what we have is just like woodsy trails, which is great. It's fun. I'm really not complaining about that. We're lucky to have some land. But I really would like to find a couple like obstacle areas to test vehicles out. So here's here's the entrance to the first trail we're gonna go down here. And here it clears up a little bit. That's nice. So if you don't know, this is the area where Lance got the Hummer so incredibly stuck. I don't know if I can get through here with the Blazer. I don't think that I can. So I think we're gonna go over through there. I think I found a good spot for our first obstacle. Right down there, there's a break in this stone wall, but up here, it's flat enough. A lot of this is too high. You just high center and be off all four wheels if you went over here. But over here, it's flattened out a little bit. I know it kind of looks like it's actually flat. I promise it's not. We're gonna take this tree down when we go across and kind of be able to scooch through there. And it's not anything crazy, but I think the Blazer will make it. Don't worry about the trash. This used to be like a dump area at one point in time, back in the day, and then kind of go downhill over there. It's not terribly difficult, I don't think, but a little bit more than just going through an open hole. Okay there. We're gonna try it from that direction, which seems way worse actually. This side seems like the easy way, that's why I went that way. This side seems way worse, but we're gonna try it anyways. You can see those rocks right down there stick up like a lot. So I don't know, I'm gonna maybe try to get as close to this tree as possible. I don't know what we're gonna do. Something's gonna happen. Might take out my phone where this is right now, but we'll see. This is not gonna work. I can just tell you right now. stacked some rocks back there. You know, you're off-roading purists. You're just going to have to get over it. Stacking rocks is fine. If you think that it's not, you're weird, okay? Is this going to work? Probably not. Easy, not a problem. Well, I just had a little bit of an incident after that. So I'm out here, I'm just trying to find some other obstacles and things. And I was going by, this is a camper that we got. We're maybe gonna do something with it someday. Anyways, but I found something in the long grass that I ran over the entire freaking, you know, gooseneck attachment for the front of the camper. I ran over that, like completely. Until it stopped the Blazer, and then I backed up and ran over it again. It's not small, and I don't see any major leaks or anything on the Blazer, but whew. We would go out that road right there. There's some big trees down. Like it definitely will not go over them, and there's like 3 or 4 in a row. So we're gonna try to find another way out over through here. Stuck. I'm not going to try going up there again, but we got unstuck. Well, we didn't find as many obstacles there as I wanted, and the Blazer isn't quite as capable as I wish it was, unfortunately, but it is great for what it is, and I got nobody here to rescue me at all. Everybody's out of town, so my brother Lance, who usually is on the channel and has the H2 and everything, yeah, he's still on vacation. So I'm kind of stuck if I get stuck. So I'm not going to do anything too crazy, and now we're at a part of the property where we're not close to any houses or anything like that to get a hand, or even to run back and get a strap or, you know, get myself out. And I used to have a come along in the back, and I broke that immediately, like the first time I used it. So haven't got another one, but I want to share a story with you guys about the K5 Blazer. So I said last video that I was looking to do a project build on a K5, and I still am. Thought I found the one. I mean, I was about 50-50 on it when I went and looked at it. They had it up. I offered half of what they were asking because the thing was really rusty, missing transmission and transfer case. Now, I don't care particularly about the engine or transmission because we're going to put something else in there, keep that a secret. So I didn't really care about that stuff, but it needed a lot of patchwork underneath. The outside of the body was okay. It still had a few holes, but the whole floor was gone. I mean, you could see straight through. But I'm kind of expecting that, and I'm, offering cheap money, so I was okay with it. But they said yes. They actually surprisingly came back and said yes, come pick it up. And so we were doing all this negotiation over the phone, and well, I guess the husband, I was negotiating with the wife, and the husband then the next day, I could not get a hold of him anywhere. Couldn't find him. Messaging him, just not getting anywhere. Almost just drove over to the house because we had a like date at the notary set. Like we were supposed to be there 5 o'clock the next day, and then you know, at the notary, and I was gonna load up after that or before, whatever. And texting, nothing's coming through. And so then about 4 o'clock, something like that, they're like, hey, sorry we didn't get back to you sooner. Husband said that that's too cheap and I can't let it go for that. But now I'm kind of angry. So I'm like, well, you already said yes. Like I get that maybe you didn't do your checkups. So that's not really my fault. I don't know. If I say that I'm going to go for a price on something, or my wife agreed to it, like that's what we're doing because that's what was said. I don't know. So kind of made me angry. So I was like, well, you know, I'm just not going up, and it still hasn't sold. So there's a chance that could come through. I'll put a picture of it up on here because it's not any big secret. So there she is, but it looks better in the picture. I mean, it definitely needs wash and everything, you can tell that, but the interior is just about gone. So it's a full restore. The frame was good. The frame was real good. So that part was nice, but that's about it. So anyways, I don't know what's going to happen with that, but I am still looking, but I'm just going to wait for the right one. I'm not going to rush into it. So, with that, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I know it's just a simple run around the woods one, but I enjoy getting out and just having some fun every once in a while rather than tinkering in the garage for 17 hours. So, yeah, I like to get out here, and we only have so many nice days left. So, with that, guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off.